Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually some project shares. I know a lot of you guys, when I get the dies, you want to see what I make with it. And girls, I try as fast as I can, but you know, I got life. And I was only able to play with a few of them, but I'm going to jump into it. The first one is this Christmas pudding one. These are all from KLJYP or KS Craft Store. And if you guys didn't know, they are brother and sister, they're siblings, so that's why they both have separate stores and whatnot. So this first one is a little Christmas pudding, and that is this one right here. It's a little shaker die, and I don't know what color pudding is supposed to be. I just think of the Griswold's Christmas Vacation and that green nasty pudding with the cat food in it, so I tried to make this one cute. I did pink, and then I added some candy swirl like clay bits, and then sprinkles, and then some white clearish iridescent snowflakes with some seed beads. And then I did the frame in that fancy gold paper from Amazon, and then this super chunky glitter paper I popped up on puffy tape to give it some dimension off. And then this bow is from the DIY Art Bin like bow set die, and then this little bow was gifted to me by Nadezda, and I just layered that up on top of each other, and it looks super cute. And this little guy is about a little under 4 inches wide, so that's that guy. Okay, let me try to see what I'm doing. This next one is a cookie, milk and cookies, and I figured this is good for probably baking or sweets theme, because when you're craving sweets you want that milk, or Christmas. So I did mine in Christmas colors, like for the Hey Santa collection. You don't have to glue them on to each other, but the milk is just like a little framelit, and it says whatever your backing piece will be the color of the milk, unless you paper piece separate words in there, which you could. And then the cookies, the cookie part, it does come with little circles. Where are they? Little circles that you can layer up and make your chocolate chip cookies. So I did a brown glitter paper in the background, and then the cookies part, it does have some embossing detail on the letters, but I did use a chunky glitter so you can't see it on there. But exactly how I glued it, it's about 4 inches, but the actual milk jug is only about a hair over 2 inches wide. So that's that guy. Next, oh my gosh, this one is so cute. This is an oven. You can use this for all sorts of themes. Birthday cake theme, birthday theme, sweets themes, baking theme, cooking theme, Christmas theme, you know. So it's got all the layering pieces, and you can make it a shaker. So here it is. Again, I did the sprinkles and just the red and the pink swirl clay bits in there. And then I backed everything in gold to do the burners, and then the knobs, and then also the handles to the warming drawer, and then the oven. The little clock area is in gold, that Amazon gold paper. And then it does have stitching detail throughout the die. And then the little hand mitten has a heart detail, but I did cover it with a bow. This bow is not included, but it's in that DIY Art Bin bow set again. Super, super cute. Love that. Oh, and then this one is 2 3/4 inches wide, barely. Next is this one. This is a Santa bag topper, and it does have like stitching detail around the Santa word. Super cute. And that is this one. How adorable. As you can see, the stitching on the handle, stitching continues on the back once you glue it down. I cut the Santa out in that gold, and then that chunky white glitter is from Hobby Lobby clearance years ago. I don't even know if they still sell something like that. The hat I did puff up on dimensional foam to give the hat, because I did have white on white and I didn't want it to blend in. So I just used a mint color hat. And this is such a cute little bag topper, you guys. This bag topper, from the very tip of that, is 4.5 inches wide. So cute. Santa, Santa. Okay, next is this one. Rewinding real quick back to Halloween. This is a mama and a baby of the Vampire Shaker Lips. So I did the mama size, and then the baby size is barely 2 3/4 inches. So that's the baby size, but I did not do the baby size. I used the new Frank Garcia 31 paper in the background, that cute spiderweb paper. Scoot them over. Sequin mix I got from Etsy, and then the drips I did, instead of red, I just did some pink. And then the teeth part, I didn't realize I was supposed to cut this part out in black and then layer the teeth parts. I don't know where they're at. I think I blew them off my desk. But if you look at the picture, they did it right. I think I did it wrong, but you can still tell that it's the teeth, the fangs of the vampire. And I cut the frame out in black, and my foam is black. I get my foam from Hobby Lobby. It is the 5mm foam in the kids section. They have a whole rack of foam in different colors, but at the very bottom, you'll see repeats of white, black, gray, and pink, and then the tag will say 5mm. Nice, thick, and chunky, and you can fit all sorts of sequins, balls, beads, all sorts of stuff. Okay, next one is this one. Another like baking or sweets theme, even Christmas. That's what I plan on using it for. So these are them. So cute. And this one, the layering back piece does have a stitching detail, which is super cute. So this little guy is about 2 1/4 inch. This one says sweet stuff, and this one is about 3 inches wide. And if you notice, all the words are welded. Obviously, if there's 3 different words, but they're all welded, so you don't have to paper piece them together. Sprinkled with love. This one's the biggest of them, and he is 4 1/4. And this one, Kiss the Cook, which is about 3 1/4. Super fun layering sweets, Christmas, or cooking theme, baking theme. Let's see, and then last but not least is this one. I love dies that are one and done. You cut it out once and you're done. I love that. So it's a candy box, or not a candy box. I mean, shoot, it could be a candy box. I cut it out in that Frank Garcia paper, and then you would glue this down once you're done, and then you would tie a string around this, kind of like those, you know, the candy boxes where it would have the other side like this. You can see I did just put a little piece of acetate. I cut a rectangle, and for size reference, when this guy's assembled, whoa, it does fit a traditional chapstick size with room in there to probably put crinkle paper. And it also fits for, my friend Christina just gifted me these. These are those, shoot, almost 3/4 of an inch wide bubblegum balls. It fits 4 of those guys inside here. You could gift beads. How cute is that? So this little box, the actual box part is a tick under 3 inches. So super cute. So you could use beads, any other little small embellishments, chapstick, you name it. Okay, that is everything. That is all my project shares for today. I will link everything down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.